everyone, I'm here at Nova Mall at Novaliches, QC, and I'm finding this foreigner who is please help disabled, no money, no food, no medicine. So I'm gonna find him today, right now, and ask some people where he is. So let's go. This one. Pwede magtanong, may nakikita kayong ganitong foreigner dito? Wala. May nakikita kayong foreigner dito sa Nova Mall?
Sa gilid yan.
Sa gilid?
Oo, sa labas ng
Sige. Tulungan po kasi namin. Thank you. Ay, they say it's in the beside of the Nova Mall. Oh yeah, pwede magtanong. May nakikita kayong gantong foreigner dito?
Ay, nakarang linggo na dito, nakatayo yan.
Itong pwesto na to? Ngayon kaya nasan siya? Pero lagi siya nandito, no? Okay, salamat. Oh! Yeah, this is the place. Look. Look, ha? This is the place. So let's roaming around. But you can find this guy here. So almost 3 hours to 4 hours we're waiting here and to find the foreigner who is standing right here. But he is not here, so maybe we can come back again so that we can see him again here. So we will back again here next time.